Today is like our first day. It's our first day. It's our fourth day here. So right now we're gonna have breakfast for the fourth day. And we're gonna tell what we'll do afterwards. I think we're going to go to the mall to get the last night stuff. Because believe it or not, we have about 2 days here. And we have an early flight, so yeah. We have to go back to Jamaica with him, but we're not at work. Oh, no, you don't.
He's so spacey and
Until you smell like my perfume. Stop. Anyway, guys, this is our view. Our view right now. We are going to practice. Again, guys, I have a cold. This is ridiculous. Like, I can taste and I can smell, so I'm assuming it's not COVID. But I'm gonna go to the pharmacy and get some medication. But sometimes I use. Aren't you like an electrician? Anyways, we're gonna go to breakfast and then we'll get that cold medicine. Yeah. And then babe wants to go shopping. Which I'm not very proud of because there's nothing in it for me. Anyways, guys. Oh God. Anyway, guys, the sun will come out a little bit. Show them my outfit. See my outfit.
Come on, let's go.
You show me your outfit, babe.
Dude, come out here, son, man. Come out here, sir. Are you afraid? Yeah. Yeah, babe. Show them the swaggy outfit. Swaggerific. So swaggerific. Yeah, babe. Are you that? You that, my sexy. My shake.
You know you're the winner, right?
You know you're the winner, right, baby?
Yeah, fool.
That's how we new talk nowadays. Man, mind me drop the camera down there. You know you're the winner, right?
Who won? You won.
At our wedding, that's what I'm gonna say. You know you're the winner, right?
You got all this until you say you won. Come on, let's go.
Anyway, we're gonna have breakfast though, guys, so we'll see y'all soon. Peace. We're in the pharmacy trying to find something to chill out with my cold. I haven't seen anything really. I was looking for some emergency, but I doubt that they have that here. Yeah, vitamin C. That's about it. Huh? Maybe. But babe, I think I just need something for the symptoms. To like get rid of the symptoms and stuff. The runny nose and the burning running nose type thing. So yeah. Now we need a new mask as well. So yeah, that's what we're doing.
Mamacita.
Just wish the color was another color. Solo negro.
Pero se te ve bello, te ves más.
Slimming. What you think, babe? Wedding dress vibes?
Huh. It's on the next piece. Nah, kill it.
Huh? This kid? Huh?
Like one?
It's a dress.
Look nice still.
As a dress. Falda. No jacket?
Tacones y ya. A ver, ¿qué número eres en tacón?
9.
Madam, I buy a dress.
How much is yours?
For $14.
Huh?
For $14.
Ah, that's just it.
Yeah.
$39.
No, 39.
Para ver cómo te ves. Porque esto no va con eso. Solo para ver cómo te ves.
Just for the height. ¿Cuántos? ¿Cuántos?
Estos, los zapatos en
No zapatos. Solo falda.
Shoes not make it.
Which way she was gonna make it? She said she just like give me just for the height. It's cute. Wait, but I'm rich like I'm all you know.
She local.
Okay. For my birthday, I would wear this. I would wear it by itself. You know that?
No? What? Where are by yourself?
There, let me see you. Yeah, big. Big for you. I can't wear. Small. Try back on the real one.
Maybe show you want to people them see me.
Yep.
Shirtless.
Yep.
Boy, I
I'm secure, you know.
go. So my body I come up in.
Yeah, you. Are you that? Not sexy.
That one, yeah. I like this.
Let me see.
I like it.
I like it.
But I don't like it, I'm leaving it behind.
Why? You look sexy, babe.
It's like how me go over this. Let me say a thing, I like it, and I say,
It's nice.
Okay.
Yeah, it's nice. You want to pass?
Excuse me.
I like it.
Watch babe over there. Tell her to come on. She's gonna stand here all day. Start cross now. You have to start cross. I gotta go get her. I have to go across the street. I
don't
can't
believe
cross
it.
here.
You can't cross the road. So.
The thing then go stop, baby. You have to walk fast.
No,
Then we
but
stop. Come on.
I'm not risking my life, bro.
Come on. Seriously, Harley. Get my nose off her.
So tired. So come out. Hey guys, so housekeeping is in our room, so we're out here now trying to eat our food. Yeah, so right here we have pizza. I ordered pineapple chicken and banana peppers. Them give me pepperoni instead. And half cheese. But if me was a Jew, I'd be so offended, you know. I'm still feeling a little bit down and under the weather, but yeah, life goes on. Babe, we'll immediately mess up the room now though. So yeah, I can't wait to devour the pizza though, because the pizza was scratched. Make sure it scratched me. Anyway guys, baby, watch football. We'll link with y'all later. KK, bye. Going to dinner again, guys. Still feeling nasal. Nasal? Oh yeah. Oh god, a little into my chest. I really hope this ain't no COVID stuff, but yeah, me and Bae were going. Show me. Oh, sorry, babe. Show them our outfit. That's what Bae is wearing. Me, I'm wearing this, but I'm
put on my jacket because I get a little cold. What do you mean you feel yourself? I tell him he needs to wear more of these jackets, these stuff. Fit him nicely. So yeah, I read guys. After we forgot dinner, I did this. Can't wake up. So yeah, we heading out now, y'all. See you soon. Trying to teach me how to drink classically. So I tell him that I'm a beer guy. I'm having some Chardonnay. He's having rum and coke, courtesy of me. We don't know what to order on this menu. This menu is filled with a lot of stuff that we didn't really know about. But yeah, see y'all soon. Guys, this is my food, and of course, Courtney, you have to take the first. Look at my soap. I'm carry cream fries over there. So. Anyways, I ordered something named ceviche. I didn't really like it, so I sent it back, of course. Yeah, I don't know what is rice and peas or rice and olive. Anyway, I just have to eat food. Anyway, bye.